I've got a different type of tablet here today. No apps, no web browser, only a canvas for you and your thoughts, with no distractions. We are going to explore the beauty that is the Remarkable 2 paper tablet. Hi, welcome back. I picked up one of these paper tablets to find the ultimate pen and paper feel without actually using pen and paper. After all, I'm tech obsessed. That's why I'm here. Maybe that's why you're here. To be honest, this is it. They nailed the experience. The company behind the Remarkable 2 have done a great job, and they appear to be doing really well with them. Still trying to catch up with their pre-order batches. The improvements over the original Remarkable are apparent in its design. It's a gorgeous looking slim tablet. USB-C on the bottom left, 10.3-inch monochrome electronic paper display, which if you aren't aware does not emit light like your typical display. Like a Kindle e-reader if you've seen one of those before. It's really easy on the eyes and makes it a joy to use for long periods of time without straining your eyes like looking at a computer screen might do. Drawing and writing on it is really responsive by traditional tablet standards, let alone e-ink tablets. Let's not get twisted in the numbers game, however. Some market-leading drawing tablets can have marginally higher lag than consumer tablets. Professional artists probably don't care for that single-digit latency, nor need it. Of course, don't expect entire page refreshes to be quick. Moving around selected objects is slow, which is the norm for this type of display technology, so don't expect anything special here. Problem is it costs over £400 and you might think perhaps it comes with the features to warrant the price. Unfortunately that is not the case, quite the opposite in fact, but we'll get back to that. The tablet has three main modes: your doodles or notes, PDFs and EPUBs. In each of these modes you will get the same tools along the side. The drawing tools though are excellent. All the different pen options work remarkably well. Even the pressure sensitivity is a step up from what you normally expect on traditional tablets with a stylus, even if the spec sheets match. The Marker Plus, which I have here, can be flipped around to use as an eraser, which is a nice touch, but it will cost you extra. You have access to layers too. They work as you expect, so you can append to your work in a non-destructive manner. And effectively you can use the tools in the same way on your canvas or on any of your imported PDFs or EPUBs. And while I found the drawing features to be really pleasant to use, that is about all you can use the device for. If you look at competing paper tablets that run Android, you can see it's easy to expand their functionality, surf the web, sync with OneDrive and so on. Although knowing the technological limitations of these types of devices, you will probably want to stay away from the web browser. The ecosystem in which you transfer documents is very restricted. No syncing between your favourite cloud services. You will have to use Remarkable's own cloud service, which has a Windows, iOS or Android app. These apps allow you to transfer PDFs and DRM-free EPUBs to the unit. DRM-free, so no chance of copying your Kindle ebooks to it. More functionality can be added with the use of some third-party tools thanks to the guys contributing to the rehackable GitHub. It's amazing what the community do really with any device out there. You've got to love the dedication. I recommend anyone who's considering one of these devices to check out the GitHub. I'll put a link in the description below because there are some fantastic additions there. Not all of them are working with the Remarkable 2 yet, but I have no doubt in my mind they will get there. They have even figured out a way to completely remove this minor horizontal noise issue, which Remarkable are refusing to accept as a defect, even when it has been widely accepted as such, because it varies between shipped goods and is non-existent on the first Remarkable. There is an accurate built-in optical character recognition, but it can only be used if you send an email, which totally baffles me. You should be allowed to save this information, then be able to search your own notes. Customer service over at Remarkable don't have the best of reputation right now, probably because they're dealing with a ton of customer inquiries. Maybe it's to do with the fact that their original Remarkable 1 no longer syncs to the cloud, because you can only sync one device at a time. That's really what it comes down to. Excellent hardware let down by average software. You will run into bugs from time to time for sure. Honestly, you'd think when you close the folio it would auto-sleep. I think it's fair to say that fans of this device would have hoped that Remarkable put as much effort into the software as they did hardware, because it is a striking device to use and hold. Time will tell. Perhaps the software engineers are working hard at it, given the critical reception the device has received. As I've mentioned before, you shouldn't buy this based on what it could be, but rather what it is now. Frankly, it doesn't get closer than this currently if you want that writing and drawing on paper feel, but want to take thousands of doodles with you in a slim, sleek package, plus zero chance of notifications to distract you. I like the templates, no complaints here, many options available. That and the battery in here lasts forever. But you must know, that is it. Purists only. And I know for many of you that's going to be a tough sale, even though it is a really cool device. That is all from me. Leave a like and get subscribed if you enjoyed your time here today. If you've got any questions, you know what to do. Get involved in the comments section below, or hit me up on my Instagram at @thetechnog. I've received some really positive comments lately and I want to share a big thank you to all my supporters. Happy holidays, stay safe, and I'll catch you again real soon.